Hello, welcome. Question 24, BECE 2025, Section A. We have to express 36 as a product of prime numbers. Now, we can use the factor tree to do that. We can also deal with just the normal expansion. Let me try the two approach. If I have 36, what will be the first prime number that can divide 36? That will be 2. So if you divide 36 by 2, you still have what? 18. So since 2 is a prime number, we maintain it and find another prime number that can divide 18, which in this case will still be 2. So 2 times 9 give me 18. 2 and 2 are prime numbers, so I maintain them. Then think of another prime number that can be a factors of what? 9. 2 cannot go 3 times 3. So you can see the 2 is multiplying 2 times. The 3 is also multiplying what? 2 times. So 2 power 2 times 3 power 2 will give you the answer we are looking for, which is going to be the option what? B. But if you want to use the factor tree, it's the same concept, alright, but this is going to be 36, have 2 arms. We can also make it, the arms are going to be 4 times 9. It depends on the factors you want to use. You can use 2 and 18, 6 times 6, any of the factors that you have. Then from here, I find my factors that are going to be prime numbers. I'll have 2 times 2. Then here I have 3 times what? 3. You see, this is multiplying what? 2 different times. We can also make it 36 as a factors of 6 by 6. We only stop when we are at the prime numbers. These two numbers are not prime numbers. So we have 2, 3. We have 2, 3. You can see, you can also have it to be 2 and 18. The 2 and 18. 18 will be 2 and 9. The same concept. So we always get 2 times 2, 3 times what? 3. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.